So today we are going to be doing a Phoebe from Friends hairstyles. These are a lot of hairstyles, so I don't want to talk too much, but these are going to be her straight hairstyles. There will be a part 2 for her curly hairstyles. She has so many, it was so hard to choose, but I did choose a lot of them. So if your favorite hairstyle wasn't in it, maybe I'll do a part 3. But let's just get one thing straight. I look nothing like Phoebe from Friends, but I do have a huge appreciation for the 90s and of course this famous TV show. Phoebe's my favorite. I feel like me and her are the most alike. So of course I was gonna do a hairstyle. I haven't seen many videos on her at all on YouTube. I cannot believe it. But I wasn't gonna use a wig for this because some of these hairstyles are very complex and require more work, so I needed to use my own hair, but we don't look anything alike. So if you came for the hairstyles, thank you. All right, let's start with the very first one. This is the easiest one in my opinion. I do have hair extensions in just for a longer look for this first one. All we're gonna do is need like 4 bobby pins, so just take 4 bobby pins. I took 5, but all we're gonna do now is find the center part of our hair, and this is it for me right here. And we're gonna leave the 2 shortest pieces of your hair, like this, out. If you don't have a face frame, I recommend getting one. If you don't have a face frame, then just take out long pieces of your hair. It's gonna look the exact same. So I have a face frame. All I'm gonna do is just take a piece from the front like so and twist it. Super, super easy. Grab a bobby pin and pin it down. Make sure your hair is already straight, guys. I don't think I need a tutorial on, I don't think I needed to show the straightening part because straightening hair is very obvious, but if you still have trouble with that, of course, I'll link a video right here on all my straight hair routines. This is just how to get more of her hairstyles. Okay, and then same for the other side. We're just gonna take it like this and twist it. And that's it for the twisting part. Super easy. This hairstyle is very 90s, but still very current. A lot of people do it. Now what we're gonna do for this top part is I'm gonna take my flat iron, which has been on waiting for me, and we're gonna just curve these pieces right here to frame our face, and same on this side. And just straighten, make sure that there are no curly pieces in your hair. And that is hairstyle number 1. Super simple and easy to achieve. Now another hairstyle she liked to do was she just left it straight like this. So this isn't technically a hairstyle that I added to the video, but all she did was just have it straight like this. And that is hairstyle number 2. The next one is also super simple. If you have front bangs or a fringe already, perfect. If not, you can use clip-on bangs. I'm just gonna add these. And you just leave your hair straight again. Go over some of the areas that you kind of fluffed up a bit. And then for the bangs, just gonna add them right here. And these are longer because I feel like she had those like that long fringe. Just like that, make sure they're nice and fluffy. And this is the third hairstyle. I wish I was a blonde, guys. It would look a lot better, but I'm not. I should put a choker on though. Let me go get one really quick. My choker is on, and this was my third Phoebe hairstyle, just the fluffy bangs with the straight. And hairstyle is really fun. Of course, we're gonna start up here on the face frame. We just curve it like so. And then what we're gonna do is just part our hair down the middle, and we're gonna do pigtails. you want to make sure all your hair ties are the same color, but unfortunately I don't have all the same color. I have an array of colors, so I'm sorry for being a little tacky, but you're just gonna do 4 on each side like this. 4 loops. Now say what you want, but I think it looks pretty cool. And this is the next Phoebe iconic hairstyle. This one is honestly, I think, my favorite. It's just so much fun. I know that these are different colors, but I color coordinated so it didn't look all crazy, but I love this one. Now the next hairstyle is even easier than all the rest. All I'm doing is just taking a front piece and that's it, because your hair was already tussled from the curving that I did in the previous hairstyles. That is it for this one. Another Phoebe look would be to add little beads on your hair, and I got these cute clip-on beads right here, and I think I got these from Shein. I really don't remember. I think that's where I got them from. And they just open like this and then they clip onto your hair. So I'm going to do that just on 2 strands of hair. I will be making a separate tutorial for more beaded 2000s and 90s hairstyles, so stay tuned for that. This is my favorite hairstyle. Is in the beginning of the show she had shorter hair and it was all flipped in, so that's what we're gonna do. I've shown you guys how to do this multiple times, so I'm just gonna kind of speed through this and stay quiet. Okay, you guys, so that was it for my straight hairstyles for Phoebe from Friends. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know that I don't look like her and I don't have the blonde hair, so if you feel like the look wasn't like achievable to you because of those things, I'm sorry, but I love these hairstyles, and this one right here is my favorite because my hair is this length and I just love the flippiness of it. It's very playful and fun, but let me know which hairstyle was your favorite and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.